Hey guys, it's Sister Sharon. Today I want to share with you all how to make this technique. It's called a Taiwan swirl, and this is what we use for our random acts of kindness soaps. These are the ones that we give to low-income family, homeless, and to the general public. So today we're going to do a quick technique. I already started mixing the soap, and in this batter, it's already ready. It's coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, and castor oil. Now, I've already mixed it, so what we're going to do, we're going to bring it over here, and I'm going to break this batter down so I can do my swirl on the top. And I'm going to do this real quick because we're running out of time. We had already started and stopped, so we had to bring y'all in on it. So here we go. Now we're going to mix with this real quickly. I'm going to do aqua, and we're going to do a little bit of purple. So we're going to put that there, grab a little bit of purple, and we're going to mix these two together so that we could do this quick technique. I'm going to add my fragrance. Actually, let's add it here. No, we'll add it here first. And this is a lovely fragrance called Butterfly Garden. And this is from Nurture Soap. This is for those of you that are soapers. Nurture Soap is one of our suppliers. And I tell you, they have some of the best fragrance oils. So we're just going to pour a little bit more in here. We're going to mix it all in. And we're going to keep this design real simple. I'm going to only design on the top of the soap batter. So I'm going to pour this in, and I usually only pour halfway up so it can fit into our bags that we label. It smells good. The ladies will love this soap bar. And then I'm going to pour the rest of this into these molds. And I'm going to swirl on top of this. We got enough for 3 bars. Actually, we got enough for 4. I'm going to put a little bit more in here. And let's just get rid of this. Get all that batter out. Yep. Sorry guys if the bowl is away from you. Then we're going to quickly mix. You want to get all your batter out of your bowl because soap ingredients are very expensive. So we're going to put this over here. And now we're going to mix real quickly what I'm going to swirl on the top. Aqua. And we're going to do purple. Now, I want my purple to be a little bit more darker, so we're going to add just a little bit more mica. Mica is a mineral. Oops. Comes from the ocean floor. So we're going to put that back in. And all right, guys, that'll be good enough. And then we're going to add a little bit of fragrance oil into these two. Just a little bit. I'm going to stir these real quick. And this is setting up real nice. So I'm going to show you guys how we do this one technique. I'm going to add a little more fragrance oil. Oftentimes I do measure out my fragrance oil, but after you make so much soap, after a while, you just know. But as a beginner, I don't suggest you just kind of know. I measured for a long time, but now I'm so used to my recipes, so I just kind of know. So now what we're going to do, this needs to set up a little bit more because we're going to lay this right on the top. And then we're going to swirl it. I'm going to just add a little bit more here. And a little bit more here. Alrighty, guys. We'll let that sit for a second. Alrighty. Now let's see if we can swirl it or if it's still too thick. And I'll show you how we do it. Okay, this is dropping a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and place it right there on the top. We're gonna just make some quick lines. Let it come up on the top. Normally I wait for this to thicken up a little bit more, but we're gonna go ahead and lay it down there. Oh, this is good, this is good. Another one right here, and let's put one on this one so we don't waste no batter. Throw that in there.
It's a very unique place.
Thank you. So we have a visitor, guys. But we're gonna keep taping, and I will be done with this technique in just a second. So now we're gonna put the purple in. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Make all your soap here?
Yes. So we're just gonna lay the purple in.
Sorry.
And then we're gonna, how about we hit right here? And then we will do the Taiwan technique. So for all you soapers, the key is to get your soap to only rest on the top. So when you begin your technique, it's mainly the top that you're looking for. Now we got a little more purple. We're gonna put some over here. I forgot about these little babies, but no problem. We'll just lay this on. Doesn't have to be perfect. I hate to waste any soap batter because soap ingredients are expensive. Nonetheless, so now I'm going to just take the end of this. You could use anything with a pointed edge. In fact, let me get something a little less. This one is not as thick. And all we're going to do is go from here. And that's it. I'm going to do this one. And then we'll do the same for these. So you're going the opposite way of the way you lay it. And that's it. And what we're going to do, friends, Mike and I will be back. We're going to let this set up. This will take a couple of hours. I'm going to unmold these, and I will cut them and let you see how they turn out. So God bless you, my friends. And for all of our financial supporters, I thank every last one of you. This is what we're doing with your finance that you're sending to the charity. We're making lots of soap. We have a new connection in Australia. We'll be shipping them monthly batches of soaps and body oils. So I love you guys. This was the Taiwan swirl technique. We'll be back with video 2, and I'll show you how we cut it. God bless. Till next time.